I can make you do anything.
Je ne sais pas parler français. Arrête! I love you. Never leave you.
Once upon a time, in the bustling city of Los Angeles, lived Calvin Weir Fields, a novelist. He had many successful books, but recently he had been struggling with writer's block. One night, while sleeping on his couch, he had a dream. In that dream, he saw a beautiful lady with ocean blue eyes and engaged in a brief conversation with her. When he woke up, his writer's block had disappeared, and he knew exactly what he wanted to write. He rushed back to his typewriter and wrote, Ruby Sparks, 26 years old. Raised in Dayton, Ohio. Ruby got kicked out of high school for sleeping with her art teacher. Ruby can't drive, doesn't own a computer, always roots for the underdog. And Ruby is complicated.